How to reverse money on Capitec application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily reverse your money on Capitec application. So first, make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed your Capitec application on your device, and just make sure you have successfully signed in to your account as well. After signing in, you will get the option of transact, and after that you will get the option of debit card, and then click on it. By doing this, you will see all of your transactions from your debit card. So now to reverse, just click on any transaction. After that, you will find the option for stopping the transaction. So once you find out the option for stopping transaction, what you need to do is just click on that, and once you do that, you can simply reverse the money. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.